Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Today we're going to be drawing Devin Booker. Awesome superstar for the Phoenix Suns. We love basketball here at the house and we love to draw great players. So Devin Booker, here we go. Get your black marker out. We got the pointed tip here and we're going to start out by drawing the face shape here, Funko Pop style. So this is the chin. We got this rounded chin because we're drawing this cartoon style. And we're going to draw the eyes. And Devin Booker has kind of unique eyes. So instead of drawing big round eyes, we're going to draw kind of smaller circles, leaving those highlights. And then it kind of angles down. He has these kind of sad looking eyes. And so we angle them down, and we'll draw the face, the mouth here. We'll give him a little smirk, and he's going to have this beard and a little beard. We'll draw that at the end. So let's draw the head shape. His head kind of goes up to this tall, pointed hairstyle he's got going on. So out here, we're going to draw the shape of his hair. Kind of looks funny right now, but let's draw the ears. I assure you it will look like Devin Booker in a minute. So let's draw the neck right now. Bring two lines down, kind of a skinny neck. Shoulders. A V for the jersey, two curves for the sleeves, and then kind of this. So we have the jersey built out now. So let's draw a big circle right here. This will be the basketball he's kind of dribbling. One finger, two finger, three finger, four fingers. And then his arm is going to go out toward that ball. So he's dribbling that ball. This other arm over here, it's going to be holding up the number 1 because Devin Booker is number 1, literally, on his jersey. And I'm sure he thinks his team is number 1. So we did this arm shape, this thumb, a big number 1. And his arm comes down to the elbow and over to the jersey. Alright, so let's draw these shorts. Down, curve, up, down, curve, and it's going to connect to the jersey. Okay? Now let's draw these legs and the shoes. We'll draw the big, fun cartoon shoes, laces, bring those shoes down and up. Okay, we're exaggerating, obviously, the size of the shoe, and it just makes it more fun for kids. Alright, let's do the same thing over here. There's the heel. Bring it up to the tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3. Laces, bring out the toe and over to the heel. Great. Awesome. So now we're going to start to color this in and show Devin Booker take shape a little bit. Let's color his hair in right now. I'm going to get the thicker part of the wider part of the black marker and just fill his hair in here. Remember, it goes to a point, kind of a pointy triangular shape hairstyle. Devin Booker's one of the best, most underrated, I would say, players in my opinion in the NBA right now. And he's doing great for the Phoenix Suns. They're doing awesome, and we love to watch him play. So let's color this. What we're going to do is we're going to get a light kind of brown for the skin tone. Color that in. The jersey is going to be orange this time. The ball is going to be orange. The shorts are going to be orange with some purple highlights. And accents, we'll do the beard in black, and we should be good to go. So hit fast forward, and thanks for drawing with us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw.